Hello friend, today we are going to discuss about confirm box in JavaScript. In last video we see how we can use alert box in JavaScript. Now we see how we can use confirm box. For confirm box we have to just use confirm and print hello, hello friends. Now just save. If you okay this, it means true. The value of this confirm is true. If you cancel, then it means this value is false. For better clarification, we declare in a variable where a equals to confirm. After that, just print using alert box, print the value of a, just a. Now let's save this. You can see if I okay, it means true, you can see, and okay. If we just use cancel, it means false, and we get okay. Okay, this is used to get a feedback from user. For example, if you are making a website and you want the user experience, you say, did you, do you, do you like our website? And just say, you can see this answer. If you say okay, it means true, you like it. And after that, if you just cancel, it is false, it means you didn't like it. Now let's do some if and else condition. If a equals to true, true, print alert, thank you, thank you. And else alert, sorry, sorry. Now let's save this and remove this. Okay, now saving this, you can click OK. Thank you is printed. If you just reload and use cancel, this is sorry. This is just a small example how we can use a confirm box in JavaScript. You can do in event calling and function calling as well. So that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, share with your friend, and bye bye.